went to airframe and power plant school right after high school in Sacramento, California. My father was an aircraft mechanic, my grandmother was a rosy riveter, and my grandfather was in World War II, and they had some influence on me. My first job was at Main Air in Cameron Park, California, and that airport there is actually an air park where you can park your airplanes right in your garage. The job for me was the excitement and uniqueness of bringing history back to life. For example, we're working on restoring a Ju-87 Stuka German dive bomber right now and getting pretty close to installing the landing gear, and I think everyone's going to be really surprised at how tall this aircraft actually is. My favorite artifact in the collection is the Hellcat. My very first job at Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum was removing the engine off the Hellcat for restoration. It's an 18-cylinder engine, R-2800. And we restored this aircraft at the museum, on the museum floor, where people could come in and see us working, and that was a really great experience. My favorite experience at the museum is being able to work on aircraft from 5 different countries. We have aircraft from Germany, Japan, British aircraft, Russian aircraft, and American aircraft. And it's a really neat experience to be able to compare and contrast how different designers develop different systems. I'm always amazed when I think about how the engineers were able to design these amazing aircraft without the help of a computer or even a calculator. What I'm most proud of is seeing our Warbirds flying at our events and being able to look up and experience seeing, hearing, and feeling history in motion.
Disco. I like to fly quadcopters. Another hobby of mine is I like to paint. This is kind of like my little art studio here. This is my art table, and I have it in this position when I sit and paint. And then if I want to stand, I just move this 2x4 upright, and I can paint my painting standing. I also have little clamps that hold this board here, so I can position it depending on the size of the painting, which works pretty nice. This is a painting I just completed for one of our events, Warbirds Wine. This is something you can bid on in the silent auction. This is the P-40 transcending time and space.